Hey everybody, it's me, Greg Manarino. How are you today? It is Monday, October 23rd, 2017. Here we are again, people. As I am doing this video blog, the stock market once again has hit an intraday record high. It really does seem like this is unstoppable. I have no idea what this market is going to do towards the end of the day. However, we can get some clues, and I want to talk about that in just a moment. What else is going on here? Metals are under pressure. Why? Because the dollar is getting stronger. There's this kind of an inverse relationship here. So metals are kind of going on sale here once again, or on super sale. So you know what to do. My opinion is you should be buying these dips, just like the stock market. Every time this thing dips, which it never does anymore, you should be buying these dips as well. The bond market. Let's talk about the bond market. It's not doing anything right now. So what is that telling us? The stock market probably isn't going to make any big moves to the upside or the downside. It might kind of maintain this upward trajectory, at least until we start getting some bigger earnings from tech, which I spoke about on Friday. This is a huge week for tech. As a matter of fact, just a little while ago this morning, I bought calls on the Qs, a small initial position. You know how to play this if you have my free brief available on my website, traderschoice.net. Speaking of that, you always hear me talk about watch the bond market, and I don't know, thousands of you have written to me, Greg, how do you watch the bond market? Well, I got your back here. If you go to my website, traderschoice.net, I put up a chart there which you can just look at in real time of the bond market. You can see if it's selling off or going higher. Now, I wrote on my website, just above the little chart on the right side of the first page, how you can make this work for you. If you see bonds selling off, then yields will rise. Generally, that cash is going to look for places to go. In this environment, it's going to go into the stock market. If you see bond yields drop, well, that means the cash is going into the bond market. Now, these moves are going to happen before the stock market moves. Before. So there's a huge tell for you if you're trading this market. And even if you're stacking metals, you can use it to your advantage as well, in that same exact manner. Risk on, like we have now, stocks are going higher, cash is coming out of the bond market. Risk off, cash will be going into the bond market and then into precious metals. So no matter how you want to look at this, just go to my website, traderschoice.net. There's a link in the description of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, again, go right to my website. On the right side of the page, just under my free chat room that I set up for all of you, you're going to see the chart of the bond market. Go there, watch it, save it to your computer, however you watch it, and you're going to get an idea ahead of time of what the stock market is going to do. I also placed a real-time stock ticker along the top of the page. You should pay attention to that as well. But I can't stress the importance of this, the bond market. Watch it. You never have to look for it anymore. In real time, right on my website, traderschoice.net. Alright, so it appears right now that the trade is once again risk on. Dollar higher, metals under pressure, bond market not doing too much right now, but we're going to watch the bond market. I'm going to watch it right on my website, just like you are. And we're going to follow this whole thing, and we're going to frankly rip its face off so hard, it's going to be not even funny. Alright, with that said, I'm going to follow this up at the end of the day with another market report. And we'll sum up the whole day. We'll look for opportunities, and I will see you later on. Over and out.